Hello, my sweet little friends. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Ease. Today we will learn phonic sound of U. Are you ready? Let's start. What is the sound of U? U, a, a bone. A ball is on the table. A, under. A ball is under the table. A, underground. This carrot is growing under soil, underground. A, underwater. This submarine is sailing underwater. A, up. Monkey is climbing up. A, upstairs. Upstairs. I am going upstairs. A, unzip. Unzip the bag. Unzip the bag. A, unveil. Unveil, uncover. Uncover the box. Uncover the statue. Unveil the statue. Unveil the box. A, us. Us. Come to meet us. A, uncle. Meet my uncle. A, unload. Unload the boxes. Unload the boxes. A, unlock. Unlock the lock. Unlock the lock. Open the lock. A, upset. I am upset. A, unhappy. I am not happy. A, unhappy. A, underwear. Underwear. A, uppercase. Write the uppercase alphabets. A, ugly. Ugly means which doesn't look nice. A, ugly. Unkempt. Unkempt means messy, untidy. A, unplug. Unplug the plug means remove the plug. A, unpack. Unpack the box. Unpack the packet. A, underline. Underline the sentence. Underline the sentence. A, unparallel. Unparallel means which is not parallel. A, urban. Urban means city. City. A, upbringing. Upbringing by my parents. A, unfit. This dress is unfit to me. This dress is loose to me. A, unwell. I am not well today. I am unwell. A, usher. Usher is a man who guides you in the theater. A, umpire. Umpire is a man who gives decision in the sports. A, away. Away. A, umbrella. Umbrella. A, urchin. Urchin. A, akari. Akari. A, udder. Udder is a body part of a cow. Congratulations. Congratulations. Wonderful guys. You have learned the sound of U. I hope you are enjoying and learning with me. So before leaving, subscribe, like and share my channel. Soon I will be back with my new video on phonic sound of V. Till then, goodbye. Take care.